It is only necessary to boil the hard plastic parts of your new Freemie cups prior to the first use. Do not boil the tubing, and do not boil the soft silicone pieces. Be sure to select a pan that is large enough to allow the parts to float freely during this process so that the parts are not sitting constantly in direct contact with the metal sides or bottom of the pan. Boil for 10 minutes. Constant contact with the metal pan during this process can cause damage. Be sure to leave the pan uncovered. Use a non-metallic utensil and continually stir the parts to prevent any damage. It is essential that you review the user manual to understand how to use the pump's controls and achieve a good bra fit to get the most out of your Freemie pump. Review the user manual and all our videos before you first pump, and then again after you have used your new Freemie system a few times. Practice the milk transfer process with your chosen milk storage system with water first. This will help you to find the best technique for you so you don't spill any of your milk.